My name is Adra with UC Scout, and I'm going to walk you through the UC, CSU, and common applications to see how you can add a UC Scout on-demand course to your college apps. Let's start with the UC application. Navigate to your open application and click on Academic History to add UC Scout. You'll go to High Schools and then Add High School. UC Scout is located in California, and it does not have a specialized curriculum. There are 3 ways you can search for UC Scout: by name, city, or school code. Now, if you search by name, you can search Scout or Scout from the University of California, and will pop up here. However, if you search for UC Scout, it's not going to show up. So even though we call ourselves UC Scout on the application, just search for Scout. You can also search by location, which is Santa Clara, California. You'll have to scroll down to find us down here. Or you can search by school code, which is 054149. Once you locate Scout, you'll click Select. We do not offer a specialized curriculum, so you don't need to check any of those boxes. And then for the start and end dates, you're going to enter the first term that you took a course at UC Scout, followed by the last date that you attended. So if you only took one course at UC Scout in fall 2023, you're going to start in August and end in January. If that was your current senior year, you'll put in 12th grade, the academic year, and then you can skip the rest of these. If you've taken more than one course with UC Scout in multiple terms, make sure you account for that here. UC Scout's grading system is 0 through 100, and our term system is on a semester basis. Finally, this is not going to be the school you'll graduate from because UC Scout does not award diplomas. Save and continue, and then proceed through the application to add the individual courses and grades you received from UC Scout. Next, let's take a look at the California State University or CSU application. After logging in, you'll click on Academic History and go to High Schools Attended. Click on Add High School, where you can search by state, city, zip code, or SEEB code, which is the same as a school code. However, you cannot search by name. So if you search by city, for example, click on Schools in Santa Clara, and then you can either use the search bar or you can scroll down to find us here, Scout from University of California. You can also search by SEEB code or school code, which again is 054149. That's not the zip code, that is the SEEB code. So scroll down here, click on Scout, and there we are. You'll select Scout from University of California and then add the dates that you attended. So if you only took a course in fall 2023, you'll select August 2023 through January 2024. Next, you're going to scroll down to term type, which is semester, and save this school to add it to your application. You'll then need to add the individual course or courses and grades you received from UC Scout. Next, let's look at the Common application. After logging into your dashboard, click on Common App, go down to Education, and then select Find School to search. On the Common application, you can search by SEEB code, city, country, region, territory, or high school name. For high school name, search Scout or Scout from the University of California, and it will pop up right there. However, if you search for UC Scout, nothing will show up. So again, make sure to search for Scout, not UC Scout with high school name. Another option is to search by city, which is Santa Clara. But you'll have to do some scrolling, and there we are, number 4. Or you can search by SEEB code, which is 054149. There we are. You'll select Scout, click Continue. Enter the first date that you attended that school. We are not a boarding school. You will not graduate from this high school. So your exit date will be the end of the term, the last term that you took a course at UC Scout. So for example, if you took a course in fall 2023, you're going to select 2023 August as the start date, and then the exit date will be 2024 January. Answer this question as it pertains to you. And then you can enter a brief explanation here that UC Scout does not award diplomas, so you did not graduate from this high school. Proceed through the application to add your individual courses and grades as necessary. And as always, make sure to talk to your counselor if you have any questions. If you have any questions about UC Scout, don't hesitate to go to our website, ucscout.org, email us at ucscout@ucsc.edu, and follow us on social at UC Scout to learn more.